ever wondered how SEO can boost your online presence? This is the question that often lingers in the mind of every individual who owns a website or runs an online business. Search engine optimization, or popularly known as SEO, is the key that can unlock the potential of your website to reach a wider audience. Have you ever thought about why certain websites always seem to top the search engine results? Yes, it's because they have mastered the art of SEO. The dynamics of SEO is intriguing. It's a realm where keywords reign supreme and high-quality relevant content holds the crown. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, carving a niche requires more than just having a website. You need an effective SEO strategy. It's a world that may appear intricate and overwhelming at first, but once you start delving into it, you'll realize it's quite navigable and manageable. So what is this SEO all about? At its core, SEO is about enhancing the visibility of your website on search engines. It's a practice that focuses on increasing both the quality and quantity of traffic to your website. But how? Through organic search engine results. SEO is not just about search engines but about people too. It's about understanding internet users, what they're searching for online, the kind of answers they're looking for, the words they're using in their searches, the kind of content they prefer, and how they interact with online content. This understanding helps tailor your content to the preferences of your target audience, thus increasing your website's relevance and ultimately visibility. So what exactly is SEO? It's the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. It's about understanding what people are searching for online, the answers they seek, the words they're using, and the type of content they wish to consume. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of using SEO. As a starting, thoroughly conduct keyword research. The appropriate keywords can serve as a bridge guiding potential clientele to your website. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush for this task. They can assist in identifying the keywords most pertinent to your business. Once you've acquired your keywords, it's time to optimize your website's content. Incorporate the identified keywords within your site's content, enhancing its findability. But be mindful, in the realm of SEO, content is considered the crowning glory. Therefore, it ought to be captivating, informative, and relevant to your audience. Following content optimization, address your website's user experience. A seamless user experience includes quick loading speeds, effortless navigation, and a design that is compatible with mobile devices. A pleased user will likely spend more time on your site, reducing your bounce rate, thus enhancing your SEO. After this, prioritize creating backlinks. Backlinks are links on other websites that redirect to your site. They validate your website's credibility to search engines, indicating your site as a trusted information source. Lastly, pay close attention to your SEO performance. Leverage tools like Google Analytics to keep track of your progress, enabling you to make adjustments when required. To recap, using SEO involves conducting keyword research, optimizing your website's content, improving user experience, creating backlinks, and monitoring your SEO performance. By following these steps, you have the opportunity to significantly amplify your online presence and reinforce your website's visibility across various search engines. Search engine optimization, or SEO as it is widely known, is not merely a tool to improve your website's ranking. It serves a dual purpose. It's a vital mechanism that enhances the user experience by making your website more user-friendly and easy to navigate. It also aids in building your brand's reputation by establishing credibility and trust amongst your audience. SEO is the secret weapon behind high-ranking websites. The next time you wonder how these websites manage to rank on top, bear in mind it's not a matter of luck. These websites have successfully mastered the art of SEO. They've understood, implemented, and continuously improved their SEO strategies. By devoting time and effort to mastering SEO, you too can achieve similar results. Remember, success in SEO is not a one-time accomplishment, but rather an ongoing endeavor. It necessitates patience, consistent efforts, and continuous tweaking and improvement. The process may seem daunting initially, but the rewards are unparalleled. The potential increase in sales, the surge in web traffic, the enhanced brand reputation, and the higher visibility. All these benefits are the fruits of diligent SEO practices. Therefore, don't hesitate. Embrace this golden opportunity. Step into the fascinating world of SEO and observe as your online presence escalates to new heights. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, it's a continuous process. It requires time, effort, and patience. But the rewards, they're well worth the work. So go ahead, step into the world of SEO and watch your online presence soar. Scene script, voiceover. That's all for our beginner's guide to mastering SEO. We've shared with you the steps to implement SEO, the benefits it offers, and the importance of consistent efforts. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. We'll be more than happy to assist you on your journey to mastering SEO. Remember, SEO is not just a tool, it's an investment in your website's future, your brand's reputation, and your online success. If you found this video beneficial, please like and share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who could benefit from this information. Your support helps us to continue providing high-quality content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. We regularly post videos on various topics, including SEO, digital marketing, website development, and more. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Keep learning, keep growing, and watch your online presence soar to new heights with SEO.